To fix a product not showing on Shopify, follow these steps. First, ensure the product is published and visible. Log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Products section. Check if the product is marked as published and visible to the public. If not, click the product title and toggle the published and visible options to enable them. Next, verify the product's inventory and availability settings. Make sure the product is in stock and set to be available on the online store. You can do this by checking the inventory section of the product page. If the product is out of stock, adjust the inventory levels accordingly. Another common issue is the product's collection and category settings. Ensure the product is added to a collection and category that is visible on the online store. To do this, navigate to the Collections section and check if the product is included in a collection. If not, add the product to a relevant collection. Also, check the product's tags and search terms. Ensure the product has relevant tags and search terms that match the product title and description. This will help the product appear in search results and category pages. Additionally, ensure the product's pricing and variants are set up correctly. Make sure the product has a valid price and any variants are set up and visible. You can do this by navigating to the product's pricing and variants section. If you have recently added a new product, it may take some time to appear on the online store. Try refreshing the page or clearing the cache to see if the product appears. Lastly, check for any duplicate or hidden products that may be causing the issue. If you have duplicate products, merge or delete them to avoid confusion. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of a product not showing on Shopify and ensure your products are visible to customers.